we got to bring it down a notch, Gary, because it's hard to believe that it's been 6 years since Whitney Houston passed away. And Bobby Brown just did an interview with Rolling Stone, and he was asked what he thought was the most misunderstood thing about her. He said, I don't think she died from drugs.
Oh. Then what was it?
He said she was really working hard on trying to be a sober person. And if anything, he believes she died from being brokenhearted.
I believe that, too. No, she was lonely.
And I see what he means by that whole dying of a broken heart part, because sometimes people turn to drugs because they have a broken heart.
Yeah.
A lot of people need things to numb that pain. So like, when you're going through so much, you turn to that. So the broken heart was the source, the drugs was the byproduct and the result.
Well, he was also asked what advice he'd give to any artist whose career is starting to take off. He said, take your time. Don't rush through life with partying and like that. And just say no when somebody tries to give you drugs or anything. Just say no. I've been clean from narcotics for 15 years. When I think about it, it's like, damn, I wasted so much time doing something that's absolutely stupid.
It's been 15 years?
Since he's been sober.
Yeah, that's a long time.
Yeah. But he wasted more time than that. Yeah. Getting high.
So how do y'all get on drugs like that?
How do you?
I mean, because y'all entertainers, y'all...
not all entertainers get on drugs.
Yeah, I'm not on drugs.
No, I know, but I'm just asking the question. How did that happen, y'all working in a...
You know what? It's so easy. Like, I've been to... Like, when Gianni Versace was alive, like, we used to go to parties at his house in Miami, and they used to walk around with, like, trays, trays with Coke on it, and it's like a delicacy. It's like an hors d'oeuvre.
I mean, I'll be thinking about an outfit before I take my money and buy some drugs.
Well, I wish everybody else would think like you, Gary.
I'm just waiting for somebody to find you in your closet, overdosed on clothes.
Right?
Overdosed, honey, with some clothes.
Buried under a pair of Gucci shoes.
The rat had crushed his entire body. He's looking like the witch on the Wizard of Oz.
Feet. That's right.